Hey friends, if you wish to collaborate and share documents on Word, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So first of all, turn the switch on to save it to OneDrive. Okay, it needs a few seconds to replicate, so it's okay. You can let it auto save. Once that is done, click on the share button at the top right corner. If you click the share button on the top right corner without this, you will still be able to share it, but that is not the kind of collaboration that we're talking about. Then you can click on share and share it with anyone, especially internal team members. Okay, you just need to enter the email address of the person and select whether anyone can edit or not. Or you can copy the link and share with the person through email or WhatsApp or any other manner. So this is the link that you need to share. I'll show you. I'll copy it. This is what the link looks like. You just have to share it with someone else. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.